Hello and welcome to Anizile Academy. Today we are going to be talking briefly about the five-finger rule. The five-finger rule helps us know at which reading level we must be reading, when to move up a level or when to move down. It has really helped me and I hope it can help you too. So if you are reading a book and find that there are no difficult words or there's one difficult or tricky word for you, then that book is too easy for you. It's too easy. So you can only grow so much when something is too easy. So when a book is too easy, you need to move up a reading level. So I'm going to use the Reading A to Z app as an example. If I was reading a level A book and I found that no word was difficult when I was reading those books, no words were difficult for me, or only one word was difficult or tricky, I moved to a level B because I am ready to read at that level, because level A is too easy. So I'm not really growing my brain at this level. Moving on, if I'm reading and I find I have 2 or 3 words that are tricky or difficult for me, then that book is just right. I must stay at that level. If I'm reading a level B book and 2 or 3 words are difficult or tricky for me, it's just right. I need to continue reading at that level, then I will grow as I go on. If I'm reading a book and I find that there's about 4 words that are difficult for me or tricky, it's okay for me to try at that level. Okay, so I can try, I can push myself at that level. Okay, it's okay if I try. But at the same time, if I feel like, oh, I'm really trying, but I'm getting very frustrated and I'm not learning, then I can go down a level still. But if there's 4 difficult words, it's really okay to try reading at that level still. Then lastly, if I'm reading a book and I find that, sure, there's 5 or more difficult or tricky words, then that book is too hard for me. But don't worry, that doesn't mean I won't move up. It means I need to cultivate my reading at that level until I'm ready to move up a level. When I'm ready, I'll be able to read another level. But for now, if I'm reading a book probably at a level C and there's about 5 or more difficult words, it's okay. That book is just too hard. I need to move down a level. The reason I need to move down is because I won't learn anything from a book that's too hard. I won't comprehend. I won't know. It will take me a while to grasp the basic concept of the book because it's too hard. So for you to read independently, you need to be able to read books that you can comprehend and that you can make sense of by yourself. So if a book you're reading 5 or more difficult words, just move down a level. So again, I'm going to use Reading A to Z as an example. If I'm reading a level H book and there's about 5 or 6 or more difficult words for me, I'm going to stay here. I'm going to go down to G so I can cultivate my reading at this level so I can be able to read books at that level. I hope this video really helped, and I hope you will be using the 5-finger rule to assist you in knowing which books are just right for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.